So there are a lot of notes in the market. No, I'm not talking about the rupees in the market, but I'm talking about smartphones. Hi guys, this is Sula from Gadget Bridge, and we've got the Comio X1 Note with us. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. Alright, so that's the X1 Note by Comio. The box is dressed in red and white. Couple of specifications behind the box. It says 6-inch FHD full view display screen, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of memory, 13+5 autofocus real dual cameras, and an 8MP front snapper. It's powered by a 1.45 GHz quad-core processor. I think that's the MediaTek one, and of course it runs the Android O on it. Other specifications do include GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM. On the side, it says 1 year, 100 days extra warranty, 30 days replacement, buyback offers, and screen breakage warranty as well. So Comio has gone ahead and spread its wings all over the country. Now it's available all over India. Before that, it was mostly in the northern region. And with that, they are also supporting 22 Indian languages. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox the device. Right, so that's the smartphone. Let's remove the plastic cover. Okay, so that's the Comio smartphone, dressed in golden and silver all together with white front. Let me remove this. Alright, so that's the gold rear panel of this device. Not bad. I'll just come back to it in like 2 minutes. Let's see what else is inside this box. So I think that's a transparent cover that will be available to all. Yes, it's a transparent cover. I think a couple of other things include a screen guard protector, the warranty card, a pair of headphones, which is quite rare in this category, USB charging cable, and a power brick. Alright, so those are the contents of the box. I'm just going to keep them aside for a little while and let's see what the Comio smartphone is all about. I'm just going to power it up for you. Right, so that's the welcome screen. Let's talk about the phone a little bit. It's got the power button on the right with the SIM tray there. On top, it has a 3.5mm jack. On the left, it's got a volume rocker key. And at the bottom, it's got a speaker grill and micro USB Type B. It's not a Type C, it's a Type B USB charging port. So at the back you get dual rear cameras with 13MP plus 5MP sensors and an LED flash. Underneath that you have the fingerprint reader and the Comio logo right underneath that. The device is not bad to hold. Even if it has a 2900 mAh battery inside, it's light to hold. So a mirror finish back cover with a smooth back like that, I mean, sometimes you feel that it's not gonna be grippy enough, but when I'm holding it, when I'm trying to use it a little, it's quite nice. It's pretty much sturdy in the hand. Okay, so let's see what else is inside. We've just turned it on. Let's see the operating system. It runs Android Oreo out of the box. You do get an app drawer here where the icons are quite big and nice. In terms of the specification, the Comio X1 Note has a dual rear camera, like we said, 13+5MP autofocus. Pictures effects like bokeh, panorama, beauty are also present on this device. So 6-inch full HD plus display is protected by a 2.5D curved glass on top of it. The Comio X1 Note does support dual SIM slots, and the memory is expandable by 128 GB with the help of a micro SD card. So as for the price of this device, it does say on the box that it is 10,999, but then in the market you can get it for under 10k at 9999. It's available across all e-commerce stores, Amazon, Flipkart, even Snapdeal. What Comio is trying to do here is they have a strategy between online and offline, so you will get this smartphone on the online channels as well as their offline channels. Okay guys, so that's the Comio X1 Note. I can already see that smudges are on the device. Probably we would need to clean it a little before we use it. If you like the video, do share, do comment, do hit us on that Instagram page that we have. This is Philip signing off.